moly, I just found the most crazy AI app. So this is beyond, if you thought ChatGPT was awesome, we're past that. There is something I really do want to show you though on ChatGPT, which is like a plugin you can put in. So if you put a YouTube clip in there, it can like put all your like timestamps and do your hook and all of that. But no, this is even bigger than that. So if you know about Mid-journey, that's already old news, right? You can create your images. So if you don't even know about that, like you gotta really look that up. So Dolly is another one, right? So we're way past just imagining an image and is creating that for you real life. That's freaking mind blowing already. Right now, it can now create you animation. So think Mid-journey, but animated. Want to see it? Let me show you. Right, so there is an AI platform called Pika, an idea to video platform that brings your creativity to motion. So look at this example. You can generate Elon Musk. Let's just look at this. A new kind of movie magic. Holy moly. Type. So you type it and it'll generate you that image. Animation form. Okay, so what you're gonna see is, so pika.art, Pika.art. What you're gonna see when you land on this page is you are on the wait list. Here's the kicker. So get into this really quick because I'm gonna show you a hack on how you can get in here. Probably not a lot of people know, so you better hurry before the owner finds out there is a loophole. You click on Discord, you're gonna be able to hack your way in. So you click accept and you'll be able to get in and use it right now. And it is free. All right, so come in here. Now you're in the Discord community. What you're gonna do is you go to any of these creation, generate, and similar to Mid-journey is a / so you can see the prompt here, / create. Okay, let's enter the prompt. What do we want to make? So, okay, coming up to Christmas, how about we make Santa Claus. Is that how you spell Santa Claus? Santa Claus riding. I'm from Australia. Riding on a kangaroo. Bouncing presents around. I don't know what this looks like. Look, you gotta this thing is in its infancy stage, right? Just like Mid-journey was. When the picture used to not be as great and when it made images, it had like random limps and stuff coming out, right? So this is in its infancy stage because we're one of the first people to use it. So obviously the data is not kicked in as much. So I don't know if it's going to be able to make that or not. I have no idea. So we will find out together. As for how long it takes, not that long. It should be done in a few minutes. However, because it's only a few seconds clip right now. Oh, here we go. I just saw my name. Ooh, someone, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. What did it make me? It did make me Santa. Oh, it did make me Santa and a kangaroo. Look at that tail. That's crazy. So just think of the possibility here, guys. If you can create clips, yeah, it's not that long right now, but imagine what it can do. You can literally string together storytelling, like you imagine your 1 minute reel and you can create your own images and you string them together. That is epic. And this thing is only going to get better from here. Go crazy, try it. Let me know if you want more. Subscribe to the channel.